Today we are actually unboxing, we're opening the bag of Nikon camera that we have brought recently. So as you can see, this is the camera and this is the lens. Different types of lens are here. uh, Different categories are here. So as you can see, all the setup. So these cameras are are the setup for our office. We'll shoot different videos by this. So different type of lens are here. This is, I think, for
This is prime lens.
just mention the category like
This
zoom.
is prime lens. This
Prime
is
lens.
18 by 55 lens. This is 70 by
So which is zoom lens?
This is
This is zoom lens.
zoom lens.
And this, what is the purpose of this?
This is the purpose of to capture any specific object.
Acha,
Like
portrait
this,
lens.
it doesn't have any zoom kind of functionality.
Okay.
But it has also some zoom, but it's for portrait basically.
And what is this? What is this one?
This is gimbal. This is kind of a stabilizer kind of a thing. If you put your phone over here,
Oh, that means it will automatically capture video as per it will automatically recognize the face. I mean the subject of the video.
Necessarily, it will recognize the face. It can recognize the face, but it actually stabilizes. It nullifies the
Okay.
the hand.
Different vibrations.
Yes. Exactly.
It actually make to
See
stable the
see
capture moments.
Look how this moves.
Oh,
See, this is fixed.
this is very excellent device to capture different type of videos, especially in different areas. Yeah, as you can see, his hand is moving, but the mobile is not moving, and it basically stabilizing the situations. Excellent,
So this is off.
excellent.
So that's it for now.
And that let focus on the camera. So what is the model number of this camera?
This is D5600. It has a touch screen over here.
Oh. So now tell me about the price. I mean, including all, I mean separate price.
That's classified. We won't mention over here.
Okay, okay.